Hello friends, I am Prashant. I welcome you to Educational Stuff YouTube channel. Today we will be having a discussion on one of the article which was published in the Hindu editorial page. This is regarding India and China border conflict. This is regarding India and China border dispute. Today is 30th May 2020. India must publicly clarify the seriousness of the issue with China's along line of actual control. Nearly a month after the first skirmishes on the line of actual control between India and Chinese soldiers were reported, the situation on the ground still appears to be tense. While there has been no official explanations of what had happened there since May 5th, the first day clash at Pongong Solek. This is Pongong Solek, which is from Kashmir to China. There has been a clash at this border point between India and China. There is enough information to conclude that this is the most serious such a standoff between India and China I have seen in the past years. As the reports say that the number of Chinese soldiers, the aggression with which they have dealt with Indian soldiers, as well as a number of points of conflict indicates strategized action by Chinese commanders. While both governments have been careful to keep the tone of their comments sober, the fact that both sides have repeatedly mentioned that talks are also a proof of ongoing situation. A full de-escalation will entail soldiers being able to return to their normal LAC patrols. Something military officers, they will probably need a high-level political intervention, and for Indian side, and insistent that Chinese soldiers who appear to have been the aggressors returning to the positions they previously held. In the midst of these situations, sensitive negotiations, the interventions by US come as inappropriate distraction. The first comment last week by a then senior State Department official accusing China of being an aggressor on several fronts and posing a threat to its neighbors was followed by President Trump's offer this week to mediate between Delhi and Beijing. Another comments appear to have been made in consultation with India. India has made it clear that it would not accept Mr. Trump's offer and had denied his claim that spoke to Modi on this issue. The government's first priority now must to end the current standoff and then for its senior officials to enter serious talks on LAC demarcation. Given all the new infrastructure being built by India, it may also necessary to negotiate new border management protocols that were last updated in 2013. The governments must also investigate how a big buildup of Chinese soldiers was not acted upon earlier. Beyond this, it must make a full assessment of just what Chinese final aims are. Is the summer conflagration meant to deflect attention from Beijing's current problem over the coronavirus pandemic to deter India from its infrastructural push for the roads and bridges to connect in its northern frontiers all the way to the Karakoram Pass, or to remind New Delhi of its geographical vulnerabilities as the contemplates a closer maritime relationship between Indo-Pacific with US. In all three scenarios, the first step of the government would to be publicly clarify the seriousness of the situation at the line of actual control and to build consensus around its plans to firm pushback and assertions of its position along the disputed line. This is regarding India must publicly clarify the seriousness of the issue with China along line of actual control. And that's all for today. Before I conclude, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.